Mary, table 4 is angry. The customer says his steak is too cold.
Oh no. Did he wait a long time?
Yes, about 20 minutes. He is not happy.
Okay, let's take the plate back to the kitchen.
He also says he wants a new steak for free.
That is not our policy, but let's talk to him.
What do you want to say?
We say sorry, we offer a new steak, but not for free, maybe a free dessert.
Good idea. A free dessert is friendly, but not too expensive.
Exactly. The customer feels important, we stay professional.
I like it. Let's go together.
Yes, smile and stay calm. We can fix this.
Okay, I'm ready.
Me too. Let's go.
Mary, it worked. He is happy now.
Great! A small gift solves a big problem.
You were right. He didn't need a free steak. He needed respect.
That's the real rule in a restaurant.